Today we are going to study the reaction of compounds with acid. Okay, so we are having here first reaction, which is done with acid plus metal. Okay, first of all we have to think about acid. We are taking here any acid. Okay, acid plus metal. What will it give? It will give salt plus H2. H2 is gas here, hydrogen gas. Okay, so we are having hydrogen here as gas. So we are taking here an example of HCl, which is hydrochloric acid plus Mg. It will give MgCl plus H2. Okay, what is this? Magnesium chloride plus hydrogen gas. It is our first reaction with acids, and a second reaction we are taking here with base. Okay, acid plus base. It is very simple. Okay, acid, we are taking any acid. I have taken here HCl plus NaOH. What will it give? It will give a salt. A salt we are having here as NaCl, which is sodium chloride, and it will give water also. So write it on your notebook. What is it? It is like acid plus base with salt plus H2O when they reacts. Okay, third reaction we are taking here as acid plus metal carbonate. Metal carbonate, what are they? The compound which are having CO3. CO3 is metal carbonate. Here carbonate, CO3 is carbonate, and it is attached with any metal. Here we are having here ferrous, okay, which is iron. So okay, here H2SO4 we are taking acid with sulfuric acid. We are doing a reaction with FeCO3, which is ferric chloride carbonate. Okay, so with metal carbonate, acid when react with metal carbonate, it will give salt plus CO2 plus H2. It is very important reaction. Okay, so you can learn it as it is having CO3. In upward you can see there is no C involved, and here is also no CO2 or any type of C compound is formed, which is basically carbon compound is not formed. So you can take it as FeCO3. It is having carbon here, so every of gives water. You have taken in here water in the previous reaction. It gives water, so also it will give CO2 because it is having carbon. Okay, now fourth reaction we are having acid plus metal bicarbonate. It will give salt plus CO2 plus H2O. It is having bicarbonate. What is it? It is bicarbonate. Bicarbonate is what? It is bicarbonate is having only CO3. Bicarbonate is also involved H in CO3. Okay, so HNO3 plus HCO3. What will it give? It will give MgNO3 plus CO2 plus H2O. Okay, acid plus metal carbonate. What will it give? It will give salt plus CO2 plus H2O. Okay, now fifth reaction we are taking acid plus metal oxide. What is it? It is acid plus metal oxide give salt plus H2O. It is very simple, because metal oxide, we are having a metal oxide. These are what? These are basic in nature, and you know acid plus base, what they form? Acid plus base, they will form salt plus H2O. Same here, acid plus metal oxide, it will give salt plus H2O. We're taking an example, HCl plus MgO gives MgCl plus H2O. Very simple. Okay, now sixth reaction, it is acid plus metal sulfide. What is it? It's sulfide. Okay, sulfide and sulfide, these both are different. I'm taking here both of these reactions. Okay, so acid plus metal sulfide, what will it give? It will give salt plus H2S. H2S, what is H2S? H2S gas which will involve in this reaction. Okay, example is HCl plus MgS plus gives MgCl plus H2S. Very simple. Now seventh reaction we are having acid plus metal sulfide. What is it? It is metal sulfide gives salt plus SO2 plus H2O. Okay, these are having some common things. You can take example is HCl plus MgSO3 gives MgCl plus SO2 plus H2O. Now eighth reaction, acid plus metal chloride gives salt plus HCl. What will give? It will give salt plus HCl when acid plus metal chloride. Okay, so acid we are having. Now the next one you are having acid plus metal chloride. What will it give? Acid plus metal chloride will give salt plus HCl. Very simple, because metal chloride it's having Cl, and in last it will give HCl, Cl common. Okay, so H2SO4 plus NaCl gives NaHSO4 plus HCl. Write down in your notebook. Okay, these all are very important reactions I'm showing you. Now the last one, which is ninth one, we are having acid, any acid plus metal nitrate. What is nitrate? NO3. NO3 is nitrate. Okay, it will give salt plus HNO3. HNO3. Okay, so we are taking here any acid. Acid is H2SO4. H2SO4 plus NaNO3 gives NaHSO4 plus HNO3. Very simple, guys. You should write down in your notebook. It is very important from the point of view of class 10th board examination. Okay, it is in English. I have explained all these things in English. If you want, so I can also explain this in Hindi. Okay, guys, so thank you.